This is what we had yesterday, fried rice and salad. And we're going to have it today as leftover, but with jollof beans. So let's make jollof beans to pair with the fried rice. Now I'm going to add onions, now add your tomato paste, stir, 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 and allow it to fry. Now I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes and pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Add my seasoning cubes, salt, and stir. Stir, 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 and allow it to fry. Now go ahead and debone my mackerel fish and tear it apart like this. I use the same oil I used in frying this fish to fry the stew. The tomato is well fried. Now I'm going to add the fish stock, the fish, and my curry leaves. You guys, you know my obsession with curry leaves. Now it's ready. Now I'm going to transfer it in my cooked beans. I'm going to pour in the stew, stir it gently, and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat so that the beans will absorb the stew, if you get what I mean. While the beans is cooking, I'll go ahead and warm my rice. This is how I warm my leftover rice so that it will not keep burning. Look at the bottom part of it. That way the washing process, washing the pot will be so easy. Because if I warm it there, it will keep burning. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to warm on a medium to low heat. Now let's check on the beans. Now we're going to stir it like so. Oh wow. Stir, 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 stir. And it's ready. Don't forget to taste for salt. This is absolutely delicious, guys. And that's it for our beans. I'm going to wait until the rice is warmed and I will dish it out for my children and husband. This is actually dinner time. Dish out time, you guys. The rice has warmed. Now I'm going to serve them. The rice and the beans. The beans. Once you try this combo, you guys, you will fall in love. In love. Time to eat.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.